All right, now in this video, these are all pretty much the same. So as soon as you think you understand it, you can go back and do numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the back. Okay, you don't have to sit through these 4. I originally make $50,000 at my job. I get a pay raise of 4% per year. What will my new salary be after 10 years? Okay, so I've got dollars and years. So X is years, Y is money, I can see that. So it's per year and dollars. Now here's the per, let's read that sentence. I get a pay raise of 4% per year. Now 4% is not dollars, okay? So that's not a line. Do not construct a line. You need to make an exponential equation. It means it's going to have an exponent. Blank times blank equals blank. So my original, my percent, now with the per year, that percent will need an exponent, and then new. So let's do our percent first. We have 100%. Now, gosh darn it, I forgot to do this. It's raise, okay, I should have circled raise. So plus 4%, okay, and that's 104%. Then I need to divide it by 100, so that's 1.04. Okay, now that needs an exponent. Well, it's per year. That's the time unit. How many years do we have? 10 years. Okay, so 10 is my exponent. And my original salary was $50,000. And X goes here. So I take 50,000 times 1.04 to the 10th power. And I get 7,401. Oh, sorry, my bad. 74,012, so $12.21. Okay, if you're dealing with money, you want 2 decimals. Okay, now, the panda population in China was originally 1,500. The population increased by 7% per year. What will the new amount of pandas be in 15 years? Okay, so first box. You don't want to do all 3 like you had been before. You need to examine it. So we got pandas in years. So years is X, pandas is Y. So it's per year, then put pandas. So what's happening per year? A 7%. Okay, so again, it's not pandas, okay? 7% is not the same as 7 pandas, so that will not be a line, okay? If that was 7 pandas with the label pandas, I would make a line, but it's not. So I go blank times blank equals blank. So I have my original, my percent, and my new. Okay, the percent needs an exponent. Don't forget that because it happens every year. You have more than 1 year here. So I take 100% and increase, so plus 7, and that's 107%. Then I divide by 100, and that's 1.07. So my percent factor is 1.07. Now it's per year, so I need to look for the years, and that's 15. And then the original amount's 1,500, okay? And I don't know I'm never going to know the new amount when doing these problems, ever. 1,500 times 1.07, hit the power button, 15. And I'm not talking money, I'm talking about pandas. So with pandas, we don't want anything after the decimal. That's only for money. I just put 4,138 pandas. Because you can't have part of a panda. You either have one whole or not. Okay, the price of peanut butter is originally $2.99. The price will increase by 1% per year. What will the new cost of peanut butter be in 20 years? So I have dollars in years. So I would apply an X variable to my time and then Y to that. So it's per year, and we have dollars per year. Well, there's a per year, but it's not dollars, it's 1%. So it's not dollars, so that is not a line, okay? So I want to make an exponential equation, okay? My percent's here with its exponent, original and new. Okay, so the percent, let's take care of that. We have 100% and it's increasing by 1, so plus 1%, and that's 101%. Now divide that by 100, and that's 1.01 is your percent factor. But now it needs an exponent. Well, it's per year. Okay, look up here, per year. So how many years do we have? We have 20, so it's to the 20th power. And the original amount for the peanut butter is $2.99. So $2.99 times 1.01 to the 20th power. Then X goes here. So I multiply 299 times 1.01, raise it to the power of 20. Okay, now you're talking money right here. Oh, sorry, whoops, that's not right. 2.99 times 1.01 to the power of 20. Okay, you're talking money here. This is a money amount, so we want two numbers after the decimal. So you can either put $3.64 or 65 cents, doesn't matter. Okay, last problem. An antique is worth $450 originally. The price will increase by 6% per year. What will the new price of the antique be in 11 years? So I have dollars in years. Okay. X is years, Y is dollars. So per year. So look at per year, it's 6%, it's not dollars, okay? So we can't make a line out of it, okay? Because it does not go on a line, as I illustrated before. So I want to write an exponential equation. So this is my percent, that will have the exponent, and the original and new. Okay, so let's do the percent. We take 100%. And it's another increase, so I add 6%. That's 106%. Then we divide that by 100, and that's 1.06. Now that needs a power. Well, it's per year. Happens per year. How many years do we have? We have 11. Okay. All right, then the original amount. Well, the original amount's 450. And then this is X. Okay, so multiply that. 450 times 1.06 to the 11th power. That's 854. And this is money, so it's 854.23. Now, if you're confused about when you put numbers after the decimal and when you don't, this is money. I'll put two numbers after the decimal. This is not money. We don't put any numbers after the decimal. This is not money. Don't put numbers after the decimal. And this is not money. Don't put any numbers after the decimal. Okay?